Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are having a great time with your friends and family. Here it's a 2-week winter vacation for kids. Last week we had planned for a picnic with our cousin and family to a location 1 hour away from where we stay. I'll tell you the place and location and glimpses of that beautiful location on the go. Before that, as we decided to take food and eat out, I made meat rice. It's traditionally called Erachi Choru. Erachi means meat, Choru means rice. It's a very delicious recipe to have for lunch or dinner. You can prepare the same with beef, mutton or chicken. Here I prepared with beef. Now this quantity will be good enough for an average 5 or 6 adults. I first cook the beef in a pressure cooker, heat some oil and fry few curry leaves. Add crushed ginger and garlic and let the raw smell leave. Slice 2 large onions and saute well. Now add 1 kilo beef that's cut in medium size. You can use boneless or bone-in. Once the color changes to pale, add 1 tablespoon chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Mix well till the raw smell of the spice powders go. Add some salt and mix. Time to add 2 large tomatoes that's chopped, handful of coriander leaves again chopped, and few mint leaves. Add 1 cup water to the beef and use the same cup to measure your rice. Give a good mix. Now cover the cooker and lock the pressure. Put on high flame till the first whistle comes. When the first whistle or steam comes, reduce the flame to low and cook for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm preparing the garnish. To some hot ghee, fry some sliced onion, curry leaves, cashews and raisins. Place a cooking pot to cook the rice. Use the same ghee that's remained after frying the garnish. Add 5 cardamom, 5 cloves and 2 cinnamon sticks. Saute 1 large onion that's sliced. Cook for a minute and time to add washed and drained rice. Here I've used Jeerakashala rice for the authentic taste and aroma. Roast for 2 or 3 minutes. Hot water is normally double the rice quantity, but here as we had already added to the meat, reduce that cup and add the rest here. Instead of 5 cups, I added 4.5 and it was perfect for me. So it's like water quantity is double the rice quantity minus 1 cup and again minus half cup. Time to add the cooked meat completely into this. Give a good gentle mix. Check salt and add if needed. Now cover and cook over very low flame till the rice is cooked and water is fully evaporated. Make sure to give a mix in between so that it doesn't burn at the bottom. I prepared curd in this large bucket, adding chopped cucumber, onion, tomato and coriander leaves. Now this will be kept in the fridge till I take it along with me while leaving home. Rice is fully done. After some time, I packed it in a casserole to keep it warm. And off we go. Now the location is Coriander, where we see Wadi Dayqah Dam. I hope it's pronounced right. To be honest, not just this location, the whole of Oman is a very beautiful place to live in and to even visit. For me, I have been living in the Middle East since childhood, so Qatar is always like a home for me. Dubai has that luxurious view with skyscrapers and other. Saudi has beautiful deserts. And now Muscat has beautiful landscapes. All these countries has its unique beauty. Having said that, and being a travel freak or lover you may call, we are traveling to Turkey in April, that's during the Eid holidays. This time again partnering with Milaan Holidays, with whom we always book our trips. Like last time, if you wish to join me, do contact Milaan Holidays. The reason why I'm announcing it earlier is because last time when I had announced my Baku trip a bit late, many of you had messaged me that they missed coming because of the last minute announcement. Now this trip is on April, but however, if you book earlier, you can get the package at the best price, as there are chances for hiking the ticket fares. For any other details or queries, I shall share the contact details of Milaan Holidays in the description box. So hurry up, let's have fun together at Turkey this time. And there we are at the picnic spot. Very beautiful location with amazing view. Now they are our family, my husband's cousin, her family with her husband's sister and kids. They cooked Hyderabadi chicken biryani which tasted super delicious. Don't know if this happens in every home. Men after food, be it anywhere, needs a nap. We have come for a picnic to not just have food, also to see the beautiful location. So while they slept, we took a walk towards the dam. It was a beautiful spot, breathtaking view. If you're following me on my Instagram, you must have seen few pics of us which was taken from here. It was a bit late, but still we went to another beautiful spot. It's called Haviyat Najm, also known as the Bima Sinkhole, a beautiful lake of turquoise water. Locals used to believe the sinkhole in the shape of a water well was created by a meteorite, hence the Arabic name Haviyat Najm, which means the deep well of the falling star. We spent some time there. Kids were enjoying in the water. Later came back home after a really fun and tiring day. On the next day, I had prepared few dishes wanted to share with you all. Beginning with a breakfast dish with egg and oats. I used 4 eggs and this was good enough for 3 of us. As I woke up late, my husband had his breakfast from outside. I used 4 eggs, add salt and pepper and mix well. I added 5 spoons of oats. That's 4 tablespoons oil. Added 2 more spoons of oats to make the texture right. Then chopped in some onion, tomato, garlic and coriander leaves. These are puff sheets. It was frozen. Broke them into tiny pieces. oil a muffin tray. Place a slice of puff pastry sheet to make it in a cup shape. I kept 4 this way. Pour the egg mix into this. Make sure to save some space on top. Place the puff pastry pieces on top. For other 2, I skipped the bottom pastry sheets and even placed just a small piece on top. As a fruit, had only orange. I cut in small pieces, added into 3 bowls, drizzle some honey as the orange wasn't sweet or sour enough. Then added a spoon of curd. You can add fresh cream if you want. And the egg cups are ready. Have it with some ketchup or chili sauce. Many of you had been asking me on the Oats Puttu recipe. Now I don't eat oats much because I don't like the taste of it always. Maybe once in a while I have a glass of porridge. But Oats Puttu is a must try. This is really soft and you won't know it's oats. Here I've crushed 1 cup oats in a blender and added to a bowl. Add half teaspoon salt and mix. Now you'll have to crumble it with water, and here I've added 2 spoons at a time. Make it really crumbly but not sticky. So you shouldn't pour so much water to mix. Add 2 spoons at a time. Here I used a total of 8 spoons of water. Now cover this for 5 minutes. Pulse this crumble mixture again in the blender for around 2 or 3 pulses, that's enough. Add to a bowl. Adding a spoonful of grated coconut makes it taste even better. Now make the puttu in the puttu maker. First add a spoon of coconut. I added 3 spoons of powdered oats. Do not press it with a spoon to layer, just tap it few times. Repeat again with coconut and oats. Top it with coconut, and this quantity makes 3 in number. Place it over hot boiling water and let the steam come through. Let it cook for another 1 minute and then take them out. Use a wooden stick or back of a spatula to gently push. And there you have the hot, steamy, delicious Oats Puttu. A very healthy dish to have with chicken or fish curry or any veg curry. This tastes even better than wheat puttu, which goes hard later. This remains soft throughout. So that's all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed watching this short vlog today. Don't forget about the April trip to Turkey. Contact Milaan Holidays for more details. We have booked our tickets and we are eagerly waiting for you all to join in. Take care everyone. Bye bye.